We can use RoboArchitect to convert delimited files to Excel files and back without needing any spreadsheet software installed on the computer. Let's take a look how to do that now. Here I have an example CSV file. This is just some real estate data that I'd like to convert to an Excel file. I have my RoboArchitect script up here. We're just going to run the convert function. We're going to specify our sample file as sample data.csv. We're going to specify our destination file as sample excel.xlsx. We're going to tell it our delimiter is a comma, and the worksheet name inside my Excel workbook, I want to be named my sheet. If I run this, we're going to see that we have our log generated. And if you watched the other videos that we've had, we've seen that we have different levels of logging. The highest level and most summarized is this info, which we're just going to see that we ran the convert command and our file was converted successfully. We can see debug and trace level if we just change the log level in our script. And now I see I have my sample Excel file that is generated. Again, I didn't need to have Excel installed on this computer to be able to run the conversion. And we have each of our columns and all of our cells in here. My worksheet name, as I specified, is my sheet. So just a great way to be able to convert. We'll also show you in another video how to convert back from Excel to a CSV if you want to run the conversion the other way. And just like the other videos, we also have our RoboArchitect UI tool, which can be accessed from volanianalytics.github.io/RoboArchitectUI. And we can generate the command line script that we ran using this in case we are not as proficient with the command line switches. So for my dropdown on my command, I'm just going to select convert. I'm going to see all of my parameters here. The ones that are required will have the asterisk here, so I'm specifying my source. Destination, if I don't specify, we'll just take the file name and append a .xlsx to it. I'm telling it my delimiter is a comma. My sheet name I've specified to be my sheet. In this case, I'm not doing a custom log level, but if I did want to, I have the capability of doing that and specifying what that log name will be as well as the log level. And then we just hit this generate script button and we will download a zip file to our computer and it'll look exactly like this. So just an easy way to generate what we did through a graphical interface. And in a following video, I'll show you how to do the conversion back, because we can also pull sheets from within Excel and save them as CSV files.